Hi guys, first things first, this is not a review but an audio sample of the creative SBS A255. And one more thing, that they come in with creative's dual slot exposure technology. I don't know what any of that means, but what it does simply sounds awesome. So,
Here we go. Let's creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
my first impressions, they are loud, proud, and acoustically, well, I'm pretty wowed. Overall, they are a good buy for what they have to offer. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and as always, thank you for watching.